stopped here last night on the way in and set up camp. We couldn't see the river from here. I knew it was rising, so we camped far away from the river. Put a stick up around there where the water's edge was, and this is how much it's raised overnight. This was dry. There was some water you could see there when we started off. So the level here has to rise for another 2 to 3 days. It'll probably reach beyond where the cars currently are.